Oyster mushrooms are one of the easiest varieties of mushrooms to grow. They're delicious to eat and really healthy for you too. The problem is finding a reliable step-by-step guide to show you how, so we created one for you. In this video we will show you easiest method to grow mushroom at home. Watch this video till the end to understand complete process. Hi friends. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. I bought mushroom kit from Mushroom company. But you can prepare it by yourself. So, I will show that process first. Let's begin the video. Rice straw preparation. Soak the rice straw in water for 24 hours. Then take out straw from water and cut it down into small pieces. Then boil straw in water for 45 minutes. This is known as heat sterilization process. When we boil the straw at high temperature, all microorganisms will die. After that, let straw dry for 2 hours in open air. Mushroom seed transfer process. Then take closed containers. Wash the container thoroughly with detergent. Make one hole at top of the lid and put cotton tightly. Then fill half of the container with rice straw. After that we have to put mushroom seeds. Here we are taken waste mycelium from kit, which is sent by Mushrooms. Oyster mushroom seeds are available online and it's available in Mushrooms too. We have given their contact details in video description and we pinned at comment section. Now we cover entire container with rice straw. Then put lid tightly and keep it at window side. Don't expose it into direct sunlight. In hot seasons, spray water outside of container to decrease heat inside the container. Growth of mycelium inside container. Within few days you can find whitish mycelium growth inside container. Wait till it covers entire container. Making holes in container. Now take off cotton from the lid. Then make holes like this. Make holes at sides as well. Wherever mycelium gets moisture, their mushrooms will start growing. Then keep it nearer to window. Temperature and moisture requirements to grow mushroom. Temperature requirement will be around 25 degrees Celsius. It requires 70 to 90% of humidity. We need to sprinkle the water at least twice or thrice a day. This is how you need to spray. When mycelium exposed to high moisture and abrupt temperature change, they start growing. Growth of mushroom. Within few days you can observe the growth of mushrooms. Keep spraying water even after the growth of mushroom. Here you can see good growth only at the top of lid. Here you can see that mycelium just started to grow. In other holes mushroom growth isn't yet started. But no need to worry. After few days you can observe the growth of mushroom in that places as well. Mushroom harvesting. Now I won't harvest the mushroom. It's not completely grown yet. It will grow little bigger than this. So I will wait for few days to enjoy the delicious mushroom. Try this at your home. Just enjoy growing mushroom. Buy ready-made kit from Mushroom company. We have given their contact details in video description and we pinned at comment section. Hope you learned something from this video. Share this video with all your friends and please do subscribe our channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.